Ssangyong 2008 2-litre Actyon, replacement of the valve body solenoids in the transmission. The M78 6-speed DSI transmission. So we've got the shift solenoid, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10 in the corner. Speed sensor there. To get the solenoids off you need a T30 and they will have a little O-ring in there. These O-rings flatten out. Screwdrivers are here on this mesh, help hold the valve body. Torx Plus 27. Got a little filter there, one here, another one just there. To get these on-off shift solenoids out, you've got to pull a little circlip out and then you can just pop out those solenoids. So we'll just go through, replace all the solenoids, clean the valve body up and put it all back together. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.